If you own a bar or restaurant that serves beer, you know the importance of keeping your brew frosty and fresh at all times. So what's the best way to do that? First and foremost, you need one of the best commercial kegerators behind your bar. A durable, long-lasting commercial kegerator is a solid investment and an irreplaceable ally. It keeps your business thriving by honoring your commitment to quality and taste. Today, we're going to help you decide just which kegerator will give you the edge you need. What is the best commercial kegerator? Based on our extensive research, we're betting on the Commercial Dual Tap Kegerator, 90 inches keg beer cooler refrigerator with digital display by KITMA. This dual tap kegerator is a sleek and stylish cooler with 4 faucets and a clever digital display. This impressive kegerator can hold any full-sized keg plus up to 4 homebrew kegs. And now for the Freshness.com review of the best commercial kegerator. Coming in at number 1, the Dual Tap Kegerator 90 inches keg beer cooler refrigerator with digital display by KITMA. The KITMA Dual Tap Kegerator is a durable kegerator with a good capacity. You'll have no trouble fitting a full-size keg plus up to 4 homebrew kegs simultaneously. The dual tap comes in handy in high-volume situations and keeps you at the ready for a busy night at the tap. The KITMA Dual Tap also comes with maintenance staff on-site service, which is great news for your restaurant or bar. One of the primary concerns with a large piece of equipment like a commercial kegerator is maintenance. The fact that KITMA offers such hands-on service is a testament to the pride they have in their product. Though KITMA is on the high end price-wise, this kind of maintenance guarantee makes the extra expense well worth it. The KITMA Dual Tap is a sleek, smart-looking kegerator that helps keep beer at a cool 30 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. With digital temperature control, you can ensure beer is always kept at the perfect temperature. What's more, the double faucets can serve up 4 different types of beer simultaneously to your eager customers. This is important for efficiency and to ensure that you provide your customers with the variety and flexibility that they want. And the individual behind the bar will appreciate KITMA's versatility and intuitive features. KITMA looks great and performs like a dream, making it one of the best commercial kegerators available today. Now here's some pros. 30 cubic foot capacity, a 1/5 horsepower compressor, double faucet towers, and a black coated steel exterior with a stainless steel top. Now for some cons. It does not include the CO2 bottle. Coming in at number 2, the Kegco Kegerator Commercial 3-Keg Beer Cooler Refrigerator with 3 faucets. One of the best features of the Kegco 3-Keg Kegerator is its large interior with adjustable shelves. There's room enough for 3 full-size kegs and up to 11 5-gallon kegs. You'll also find ample room to store mugs, cans, and bottles at a frosty 32 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. We're all about maximizing space, and Kegco 3-Keg makes good use of the available room in the interior. Plus, it's the only triple tap kegerator on the list. The forced air refrigeration dispenses ice-cold air into each beer tower. What's more, it uses ozone-friendly R134A refrigerant. Because each tower is receiving steady cold air, you can be sure your beer is staying crisp, fresh, and cold. Without proper cooling and refrigeration, a kegerator is just taking up space in your business. So you want these components to be top of the line. Kegco 3-Kegs refrigeration is on point and completely reliable. Overall, Kegco 3-Keg is a highly durable kegerator. It's constructed of steel and comes with built-in drip trays and a rubber floor mat to reduce shock. Add to that its decent capacity and high-quality construction, and you've got yourself a nice kegerator that will last for years to come. The digital temperature display is a nice touch and an important feature to help keep your beer tasting its best. We think this is the best Kegco kegerator on the market today. Now here's some pros. 1. Digital temperature display. 2. High quality construction. 3. Roomy interior. And 4. Forced air refrigeration. How about a con? Doesn't include a direct draw kit. Coming in at number 3, the Kegerator beer dispenser with 2 tap towers Atosa commercial keg cooler refrigerator. The Atosa commercial kegerator is a striking, sleek piece of equipment. Not only will it look great in your bar or restaurant, it doesn't disappoint in terms of quality and durability. The Atosa MKC58 includes a Dixel digital temperature control and magnetic door gaskets. Dual faucet towers allow you to dispense multiple styles of beer at once from this 2-tap kegerator. Inside, the Atosa has pre-installed epoxy-coated shelves and a built-in bottle opener and bottle cap catcher. The shelves are durable and easy to clean, which you'll appreciate more than you know in the long run. The little touches like the bottle opener and cap catcher make a big difference on a busy night with a high customer volume. Whoever happens to be behind the Atosa commercial kegerator is sure to see improved efficiency and satisfaction with this kind of equipment. The Atosa fits 2 half barrels and has a durable stainless steel exterior that will hold up over time. The heavy-duty Embarco compressor ensures that this is a highly functional, dependable commercial kegerator. You want a solid compressor like this because it's the primary component of your kegerator. Embarco are known for being world leaders in cooling solutions. Their hermetic compressors have been the industry gold standard since 1971. Now for some pros. 1. Stainless steel exterior. 2. Dual faucet towers. 3. Environmentally friendly R290 refrigerant. And 4. That heavy-duty Embarco compressor. Now for a con. It doesn't come with an instruction manual. Coming in at number 4. The 2-door, 4-tap commercial beer dispenser refrigerator keg cooler kegerator. The 60-inch 2-door 4-tap kegerator makes a great addition to your restaurant or bar. You can fit 2 half or 1 half and 4 sixths or 4 slim quarters into this kegerator, and it looks great on top of everything else. This kegerator has a stylish all-black exterior and a shiny silver surface, both of which are a breeze to clean. The 60-inch 2-door 4-tap comes with ETL and NSF certified keg couplers. Forced air cooling guarantees that your beer is kept at optimal ice-cold temps. Because it distributes the cold air evenly throughout the system, forced air is generally what you want in a good commercial kegerator. The 60-inch 2-door 4-tap comes with a side-mounted quarter-horsepower Embarco compressor, one of the best on the market. The doors are self-closing and lockable, which is a nice touch. A 1-year parts and labor warranty is definitely a bonus. It's also an indicator that the manufacturer of this kegerator stands by the quality of their product. The Embarco compressor comes with a 5-year warranty of its own. While it's not quite as big as some of the others on the list, the 60-inch 2-door 4-tap is a decently sized commercial kegerator with good construction and a nice aesthetic. So here's some pros. 1. It's a double-tap keg cooler. 2. Forced air tower cooling. 3. Includes keg couplers. And 4. A 1-year parts and labor warranty. Now for a con. It's got a little smaller capacity. Looking to learn more about the best commercial kegerator in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Now, coming in at number 5, the Kegco HBK 1XB2 2-faucet commercial Homebrew Kegerator Keg Beer Dispenser Black. Even though it's the smallest kegerator on our list, the Kegco HBK1XB2 makes a great supplemental kegerator or primary keg for a smaller space. It's a 2-tap kegerator, so it still offers some variety. Because it's commercial grade, you don't have to worry about skimping on quality. Its draft system dispenses from 2 ball-lock kegs and has premium components as a larger kegerator. The Kegco HBK1XB2 has rear knockouts, so you can customize it and mount the CO2 tank externally. You can also move and arrange the Kegco easily thanks to the 4-inch locking casters. Even though it's compact, the Kegco HBK1XB2 has a high-power compressor. It keeps the interior of the kegerator cold as fans dispense cool air into the draft towers. The exterior is solid black and nicely durable, while the interior has a diamond plate floor. Because it holds up to 4 5-gallon homebrew kegs, the Kegco HBK1XB2 offers you a lot of versatility and flexibility. If you're looking for a kegerator for a small space or as a supplement for your larger kegerators, the Kegco HBK1XB2 is a solid option. The smallness of this kegerator can be a pro or a con, depending on what you're looking for. Now here's some pros. 1. Powerful compressor. 2. Holds up to 4 5-gallon homebrew kegs. 3. Commercial grade. And 4. Easy customization. The con? It's small. Coming in at number 6. The Maxx Cold MXB D481S Commercial Stainless Steel NSF Bar Direct Draw Kegerator Beer Dispenser Cooler with 1 single tower tap. The silver Maxx Cold MXB D481S is a great 2-tap commercial kegerator. The exterior and interior floor plate are made with high-quality sanitary stainless steel to ensure durability and easy cleaning. There's also a slide-out condensing unit that's very handy while cleaning out the Maxx Cold. And everyone knows that easy cleaning is a huge bonus when it comes to bar or restaurant equipment. As with most commercial kegerators, you can adjust the holding temperature between 34 and 41 degrees Fahrenheit to keep your beer flowing at its optimal temperature. The forced air refrigeration system ensures that cold air is evenly distributed throughout the cooler. And the Maxx Cold's drawer handles are recessed, making them easier to grip during hectic happy hours. The stainless steel components of the Maxx Cold also stay cool, and the lower tap temperature reduces the foam in your beer. All in all, Maxx Cold is a dependable commercial kegerator, and we especially love the intelligent digital display controller. The easy-to-access storage area is suitable for mugs, glasses, and beer steins. These are the little extra touches that can set one commercial kegerator aside from all the rest. Extra storage is a smart feature, and it helps anyone behind the bar perform more efficiently. The best commercial kegerators don't just keep your beer cold, they help you stay on top of your game. Maxx Cold definitely meets that qualification. Now for some pros. 1. Stainless steel. 2. Digital LED display controller. 3. Adjustable holding temperature. And 4. Environmentally friendly refrigerant. Now for a con. The CO2 tank and the regulator are not included. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite commercial kegerator. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. Now, coming in at number 7, the Alpha Chef Equipment Commercial Kegerator 2 Dual Tap Towers Double Door Refrigerated Keg Cooling Cabinet. Another smart choice for your bar or restaurant, The Alpha Chef Equipment Commercial Kegerator has some exciting features and capabilities. With a capacity of 8 slim barrels or 2 half barrels, this kegerator is a great asset to your business. Because it's pre-programmed to maintain an ideal temperature of 33 to 41 degrees Fahrenheit, your customers can appreciate beer at its optimal chill. This means less fuss for you and less worry overall. The most important thing a kegerator can do is keep your beer cold and refreshing, and the Alpha Chef has got you covered in this regard. It comes with 2 dual tap towers for 4 taps total, and a durable stainless steel interior and countertop. You'll appreciate the stainless steel when it comes time for cleanup because this corrosion and stain-resistant material is a breeze to keep clean. And the 4 taps give you the versatility you need to meet a high demand for a wide variety of beers. Alpha Chef Equipment delivers the goods with this high-quality commercial kegerator and dispenser. Because of its quality construction and great reputation, Alpha Chef's commercial kegerator rounds out our list of the year's best. Now for some pros. Self-closing doors with locks. Fits 8 slim barrels or 2 half barrels. Easy to access condenser coil and an electronic control system. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best commercial kegerator. As you can see, there are quite a few options when it comes to commercial kegerators. When selecting the best commercial kegerator for your business, a few key factors need your attention. But regardless of capacity, design, or style, all good commercial kegerators have one thing in common. They keep your beer ice cold and fresh, so your customers walk away happy and satisfied. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite commercial kegerator. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.